Welcome back to Strong's Garage.
There you go, Matt. Jim here.
Yeah, we got a little shop tour video for you, kind of explain what's been going on.
Oh yeah, it's been busy as always.
Oh yeah, Jim bought a new place and moved into a farm, and it's been a really busy
winter.
Yeah, no kidding. So here we go again.
Spring. Oh, it's exciting. Yeah, all these old cars coming out of the woodwork, it seems.
Yes, so all kinds of things to work on and look at.
Yes.
So today we just got a little reacquainting video, a little shop tour, show you what we've been up to, kind of. Aside from many other things, eh?
Yeah.
But always fun, something to go on. So let's
go tour about.
See what happens.
All right, here we are in the machine shop. We've been busy as ever. This here's Model A motor that came from south of us for some Babbitt work. So had main bearings, as well as a set of connecting rods. We've got them all redone and oil grooves cut and drilled and ready to be packaged for shipping back to the customer. All right, well on the rod cutting lathe here, we've got a few little updates. So Matt's dad Ken made us this secondary shank, which it was missing, which allows us to kind of run two sides. Now we have a roughing side and a finishing side, as well as modified these 8mm insert cutters here. So now we're using inserts for much finer finish. So that's working quite good. As well as we rigged up through some photographs we were able to procure of the original device for cutting oil grooves. So now we can simply put this in here, put that there, and the mechanism cuts a, well I guess it's tight, but figure 8 in the rod. So very cool. So that's been very helpful, because before we were just hand cutting them, which is labor intensive. So yeah, that's good, and Tobin Arc has been working well, doing its thing. So we've got this Model T motor, and not just any Model T motor. It came from, if you've seen our previous videos, the yellow race car, hence all the yellow paint on it. So it's unfortunately has a case of the broken cranks. So we're going to peel it all apart and redo the Babbitt. We got a uncracked, unbroken crankshaft for it, and we'll redo the rods and the mains and whatever else it needs and get it back into service. Right here we've got ourselves a yet another Model A motor. Seems to be a pretty busy thing. I guess they made enough of the cars that keeping them going on the road. But yeah, this one it wasn't too bad. It needed to. The Babbitt was actually quite good. It's a as you can see here, a diamond block. So it was a replacement block from back in the day, and the Babbitt in it was all good. It's just it sat quite a while, so the bores were quite pitted. It was a running engine with a stuck valve, so we got the cylinders bored, went a size up on the pistons, decked the head, just kind of went over it, resealed it, replaced parts as needed, put in adjustable lifters in it and modern style valves, did valve job, and just a nice little cleanup. It's just a stock Model A motor that'll be going in the Cabriolet. It's got a few neat little features. It's got this aftermarket additional oiling system thing here, where it takes oil from the oil pump feed, and then it goes to, there's a gauge, as well as it feeds through this hollow bolt into the back to oil kind of the lifter gallery, and I guess the fourth main, or the third main, just get some more oil back there. So that's kind of a neat feature, as well as it's got this very cool Fram crankcase filter, which is quite cool. It just replaces the A cap. It almost looks like a little tin cup that you'd get copper coat in, but it's got a little breather in there to keep from sucking in road debris and maybe slow your blow-by down. And it's under normal operating conditions, this cartridge should be changed every 5,000 miles, more frequently under dusty conditions. So yeah, very cool. You could rate your thing on there. And yeah, when we got this thing was just a black bulb, and so we were able to clean it and bring it right back to good nick.
Well, last time we saw this car was in one piece. I know we just showed the motor Jim cleaned up for the car, which is nice. We also have the frame that's all ready to go back. We're doing kind of a frame up on it without doing the paint and body. So we're gonna leave this neat old paint, but it's gonna get all new upholstery inside and out. But this old Cabriolet actually came apart pretty good, didn't it?
Yeah, it's a wonderful car. It's a very, very solid. Fenders are in very nice shape.
But it's a 1929 68A Cabriolet, so it's the first of the convertibles with the roll-down windows, which is kind of neat. And what we're going to do is we're putting all new interior in it, I think, as we go. But we're going to paint the inside, get it really nice and clean. Like I said, leave this paint, and it has original paint on the firewall, the original yellow. And we're going to leave that and just clean it because it'll be a nice contrast. Kind of show the history. Again, like I said in the last video, there's a lot of family history with this car, so we want to preserve those few little things like that Fram filter cartridge and the gauges the way they were, and just, you know, the things that make it unique, right?
Yeah, it'll be wonderful, but fully front to back mechanical.
Yeah.
You've got diff will be rebuilt, transmission rebuilt.
Yep.
So, yeah.
Because the thing about it is, we've often said, if you can't drive them, what's the point, you know? And to guess and just you know, poke and change parts and do that. That's not how we do things here.
Well, exactly too. And as a family heirloom, it's a lot easier to pass down something that's not a project.
100%.
So tough. So.
And realistically, once it's fixed, I mean, this will be trouble-free driving for
the next 100 years.
Who knows? You know, it lasted this long being, you know, sort of cared for. Imagine if it's really cared for. Like all this stuff. Once it's restored, it generally stays pretty good most of the time.
Yeah, I think it showed about 80,000 miles, so if he puts 1,000 miles a year on it...
80 years, right?
Yes, and at that point I'm hopefully retired.
Yeah, by then well, you never know. Anyways, there's the little Cabriolet update. We'll keep smashing on it. He wants to get it done this summer, so it won't be too bad. But kind of neat to work on these cars that have history for sure.
Yes.
And we got this, something a little different in the shop here. This is a 1932 Dodge.
Yeah, very nice car.
Not just any Dodge though. It's a DK8, so it's got a straight 8. And Dodge only did that for 2 years, 31 and 32. And so it's come in, it's been sitting for many years. A local fella bought the car and wants to get it up to touring snuff, so lots of little things wrong with it, but you know, kind of a neat older restoration of a fairly rare car.
Yeah, very neat, big car, long nose.
Yeah, and the venerable Dodge Ram, as it's come to be known today.
Yeah.
So it's just a neat car.
Good. It's got this neat feature. If a smaller car were in your way, you could give him one of these.
And here's the water pump we rebuilt for the car. It had a leak, so we took it apart. Bearings cleaned and new packing, and should be ready to go back on without the leak.
Good work, fellas.
Thanks, Alex.
Hey, nice job.
Yeah, me and Alex have been working on this roadster pickup here. We almost got it finished, all the metal work. Then it can go off for paint. Then come back and Jim rebuilt a bunch of the componentry for it already, so it can go back together. But you know, had to repair fenders, door skins, back of the cab, re-rivet things, boxwood. These things tend to get a little twisted up after you know, 90-something years.
Oh yeah, especially being a truck.
A truck, yeah, they
Cars are bad enough.
take some abuse, but yeah, she's very close to being finito, and then come back and be actually finished. So that's kind of exciting. We've rearranged the furniture in the shop again, and we'll give you the full tour on that when we're done. But there used to be a big shelf here; it's gone now, and now we got this Model A coupe. What year is that coupe, Jim?
Hey, 30.
1930 coupe. We're gonna put her together. It's one of our cars. We're gonna make into a nice project for somebody.
Oh,
a
yeah.
pretty decent chassis, and
Oh yeah, good little running and rolling.
then we got these fancy Goodyear all-weather mirrors for that 32 Dodge there. Brand new tires we'll put on there. So that'll be fun, I guess, eh?
Yeah.
And other than that, we've just been working away. Eh?
Oh yeah.
Well, there you have it, folks. What's going on in the shop? Lots more going on. We got a big list of incoming projects and outgoing projects, and it never seems to end. But it's good.
Yeah. Yes, it's
No kidding. It's good.
no shortage of stuff piling up. So, but it's good. We're chipping through it.
Yeah, one piece at a time. So, anyway, that's about all we got today. Hopefully, we can get some of these other projects going, and we'll film the, you know,
And the goings
the
on.
goings on. So, thanks for stopping by.
Yeah.